Hi, I'm Daniel. This is Alexis. This is Cade. This is Shawn. This is Gabby.
There are many things we want to talk about today, but our main focus is volcanoes.
One piece of information we'd like to share with you is the life cycle and what it means.
The life cycle of a volcano is when it starts out active, which means it is currently erupting or showing signs of eruption.
Then there is dormant, which is when the volcano is sleeping and won't erupt for a small or large amount of time.
And lastly, the volcano is extinct or dead, which means the volcano is unlikely to erupt ever again.
Did you know that volcanoes can produce different types of eruptions?
What? No way.
Yeah, there are two, quiet and explosive.
Oh yeah, I've heard of those, especially quiet eruptions.
Don't they both have different silica and viscosity levels?
Actually, they have different types of lava flow too.
Yeah, quiet eruptions have a silica and viscosity that is thin and unvicious.
Whereas explosive eruptions have a thicker and more vicious silica and viscosity that is thick and sticky with a pyroclastic or fast lava flow.
But what's a viscosity in silica?
Viscosity is a measure of resistance to refoamed by stress.
And silica is just a compound found in sand that makes things thicker and thinner like flour added to a cake mix.
Yeah, exactly. Also, quiet eruptions can produce islands. An example of what quiet eruptions have formed is Hawaii.
Then explosive eruptions produce ash falls, lava flows, which is when lava spews out of a volcano, and lava bursts. Explosive eruptions form fragments of lava bubbles at mid-ocean ridges.
Some examples of hazards of living near a volcano with quiet eruptions is you can't prepare because you don't know when they erupt. Volcanic earthquakes, ground cracks and deformation, and tsunamis which can create big waves that can be over 50 feet tall and move fast towards land.
Some hazards of living near a volcano that produce explosive eruptions is that it can cause serious breathing issues from the smoke and that it can be created from the volcano and the lava itself. Also, it can create serious heat which is dangerous for everyone that live in the surrounding area and is very dangerous for wooden structures.
There are a lot of bad volcanoes, but we decided to give some to you, and all of it is called influential volcanic eruptions.
In 1883, Kraka to August 26th to 27th, this eruption was heard 3,000 miles away and was the largest recorded eruption in history. It reduced the temperature by 1.2 degrees Celsius for 5 years.
Here are some pictures.
1902, Mount Pele. This was the worst eruption of the 20th century. It killed 30,000 people by the pyroclastic flow, which is the fast movement of a current of hot gas in lava.
In 1912, Mount Kutma, on June 6th through 9th, it was the most spectacular Alaskan eruption of the 20th century. A cloud of gas and ash turned the sky black and caused people to evacuate.
1980, Mount St. Helens. An earthquake happened before and a large landslide happened before. The ashes flung into 11 United States. Then the eruption caused ice and snow to melt, which caused the landslides or landfalls.
1991 Pinatubo, June 15th. This caused pyroclastic flow and lahars. It changed the river system for months and or years.
In 2002, Mount Etna. This is really bad because it's almost in a constant state of activity.
Now to the end of the pathway lava takes to exit the volcano.
First, magma collects in the magma chamber, which is under the ground pool of lava, and then the magma moves up to the Earth's surface in a pipe, which is called a vertical cylinder, which magma has passed through.
The molten rock and gas leave the volcano through a vent, which is a sputum, the Earth's surface where lava erupts. Then an area covered by lava and pours from a vent, and then is called lava flow.
Did you hear about that Pele volcano thing?
No, tell us.
Pele. The volcano Pele is well known as the volcano goddess. It is living in the center of Kilauea on the island of Hawaii. Pele has never took a human life. Some people say it has been there long ago and has been there since the goddess. One legend invented by the park rangers of the Big Island, which says that Pele will curse the people with bad luck if they take rocks home from the island. Also, Pele is supposed to be the first volcano on the islands. So to end it, Pele is one of the big myth makers in Hawaii.
Whoa, cool. I want to go to Hawaii.
Well, maybe if you were a scientist and knew how to monitor volcanoes, you could go see it.
Seismologists use seismograms to measure how strong tension between plates are. Scientists can predict earthquakes and likely never will be able to. Can't predict earthquakes and likely will never be able to. But they think some animals, like cats, can predict them using natural senses.
Next, a crater, a bowl-shaped cavity that can form around the top of a volcano around a central vent. And that is the end.
Thank you
Thank you
for
for
watching.